In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to use my automated software inside of NinjaTrader to pass a prop firm challenge in one day, actually in just one trade. So I'm going to show you start to finish how I do it. The first thing you're going to need here is a prop firm account, right? So you need a prop firm account. Just go with Apex to start out. You could get an account for like $20 right now, or you could get a bulk of accounts for about $95. You could get 5 of them, right? And then scroll down a little bit. Obviously, use code JPELLY so you could get that 90% off on these accounts, all right? So what I like to do is do the 50K intraday trail. Gives you a little more cushion. You don't have that daily loss limit thing at $1,000. So you give it a little more room, because what we're going to do is either pass or fail in one trade, okay? So get those accounts, then connect them to your NinjaTrader. I already did that. I'm not going to show you how to do it in this video, but under your connections, you should see your Apex account once you added it. Mine says My NinjaTrader. And then if I go into accounts, I could see 5 freshies, all right? I bought 5 freshies for this video. So the next step is you need the automated software. So if you're interested in NinjaTrader automated software, I built one inside of NinjaTrader. You could get that by going over the website. Link is down in the description. But I'm just going to show you how it works before you decide and, you want to add this to your arsenal of trading tools. I think it's pretty cool. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a new chart. I want something that's going to move fast, right? We need a decent move to make $3,000 in one trade, right? For this Apex example, we need to make $3,000 to pass this prop firm account and get onto the PA, or the performance account, they call it, right? That's where you could take the money out. You can't take money out in an evaluation. So I personally, my strategy is I want to pass them fast, and they're cheap enough where if I end up blowing a couple, whatever. It was $20, okay? So I don't really care to spend time on an evaluation. I want to pass it fast so I could get to the PA stage, and then from the PA stage, I could trade a little more conservatively to get to my payout stage, right? So step number 1 is get the prop firm passed. And now what I did is create a little strategy inside of NinjaTrader to do this. So first things first, I'll just add a new chart. We're going to start from scratch here. I'm going to just add a chart. Like I said, I want something that's moving fast and, has a decent range. And that will be NASDAQ. NASDAQ moves a whole lot very fast. This is exactly what we need, because in this case, I'm going to show you how many points we need to pass this account. So I'm just going to leave it on a 1-minute chart. Load up the last 5 days, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, so now I have a fresh chart right here, nothing on it. So what I'm going to do, I have a software inside of NinjaTrader. It runs as a strategy. So I'm just going to right click the chart, go to strategies, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it says Alpha Engine. And then what I'm going to do is paste my license key, because I am the owner and I have a license key. I'm going to blur out all these parameters because this is my proprietary software and I don't want you seeing all this stuff. But I'm going to show you something where, all right, on my entry signal, I'm just going to leave it to jump on the trend. That means wherever the market's at, it's just going to jump on the trend, whether it's long or short, okay? And then next, what I'm going to do is go down. I'm going to go 1 trade per day. So I'm going to put max trades per day, 1. We're just going to trade once. We're going to let it go long and short. So whatever, if it's long or short at the time that I want it to trade, then that will, it'll jump either long or short. It's got a filter to know whether it's going to long or short. So time window, I want to take this trade right when the market opens. So at 9:30 a.m. when the market opens, you get a big influx of volatility, right? So that's what I want. In this case, I want something that's just going to go fast, 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 and have a a decent move. So I'm going to set it to my time window to begin at 9:30. So at 9:30, if this is ticked on, then it's going to jump on the trend, whether that's long or short. Okay. I'm going to show you what that means in a second. And that's it for the entry signal. So our entry signal is at 9:30 a.m., it's going to jump on the trend, whether it's long or short, using one of the filters built in the software that you'll see in a second. So now what I need to do is edit the contracts and the target, okay? So if I scroll down a quantity, I'm going to go to 6 because that's the maximum amount of contracts that Apex allows you to trade, as we could see right here on their website. It says 6 max mini contracts. So I'm going to trade 6 contracts. And then my profit target, this is in ticks, okay? So it's going to be profit target. How many ticks do I need to make $3,000 with 6 contracts? Well, off the top of my head, I can't tell you. So I built this little tool. It's free. Just fastpass.tradingbossbot.com. I'll also link that down below. And I have it already preset, okay, for you guys. So if I click Apex, this is a 50K account. I need to make $3,000. I want to pass it in one trade, 6 contracts. That means I need about 105 ticks, okay? So I need 105 ticks to make $3,000 and pass this challenge, all right? So take 105 ticks. That's going to be our profit target. I'm going to paste that inside the strategy here in NinjaTrader. So it's going to trade long or short at 9:30 a.m., 6 contracts with a profit target of 105 ticks. Now the stop loss I'm going to tick off because I know I'm going to pass or fail in one trade. So my whole strategy is buy 5 accounts, run the system, Monday 1 account, Tuesday 1 account, Wednesday 1 account, Thursday 1 account, Friday 1 account, right? So by the end of the week using this system, you should have at least 1 account passed, right? So you keep doing that. You could copy trade multiple per day depending on your budget, but this is how I've passed literally hundreds of these Apex accounts. And then I've taken out 6 figures from Apex. My spend is a little high because I'm using this, but it's coming back on the payouts. And then the rest of this, you don't need to edit, right? Rest of this, you don't need to edit besides the account. So I wanted to trade Apex, this account right here, right? So whatever account you put in here, this is what the strategy is going to trade on. It's going to trade on this account, okay? And then the label, I'm just going to label this Fast Pass, right? I'm just going to label it Fast Pass so I know, because I have multiple strategies in my strategy tab, I want to be able to identify which one is the Fast Pass strategy, okay? Boom, I'll leave that on. And now if I go into my strategy tab, I'll see Fast Pass down here. See where it says Fast Pass? That's the one we just created. It's NASDAQ on a 1-minute chart. And then all I have to do to get this bad boy running is click Enable. So now that it's enabled, you could see on the chart, it just popped up the filters that are built inside of the system. So now if we go back, it's going to show me like the last couple days, right? We loaded up 5 days, so it's going to show me what it's done. Let's see if it traded yesterday. So yesterday, we could see what happened here at 9. Let me make this bigger for you guys. We could see what happened here yesterday at 9:30 a.m. Boom. So we had a short trade. So at 9:30, the trend filter was red. Ended up taking a short with 6 contracts. Ended up hitting that profit target at 29,692. So look at that. This is exactly what we want. We want big moves. We need about 105 ticks, which comes out to something around 25 points, 26 points on NASDAQ. You could get that in one 1 minute candle. This happened multiple times throughout the session, right? So even later in the day, around like 9:45, look at this big green candle right here. That's well more than 25 points. That's like a 100.1 minute candle. So you see what I'm saying here? That's why, I like to just pass them in one trade, because you can easily do that on something like NASDAQ, right? So let's see what it did the day before. So it shorted 38.22. Target was 37.96. So that one probably would have lost, because it looks like there was a little bit of a jump before it ended up hitting the profit target. So on those days, yeah, you'll lose, and you try again the next day, because you can't lose $2,000, right? So if it goes against you, you're gonna lose $2,000 pretty fast when you're trading 6 NQ, and it doesn't go in your favor right away. So that's part of the plan. It's gonna have losing days for sure. But that's it. Once I have it all set up, all I have to do is go into my strategy tab, make sure this thing is enabled, and then let it go. So in about 15 minutes, I'll come back and see what the results are going to be. It's about 9:30. Let's see what this thing does here. So I have the strategy automated, and we're going to see if it goes long or short and gets that 20-point move at the open. Well, and there you go. That just passed the prop firm in one trade, 53,130. That's more than enough to pass the account, and you could see that short trade right there. That was money. So we got our prop firm account passed in one trade. That's how I'm using the automated software that I built inside of NinjaTrader to pass these prop firms in one trade. This is just one of the models that you could build inside of the software. I also give you presets to use on live accounts or when you're at the PA stage, which is not going to risk anywhere near as much as this. And I also teach you how to build your own models. So, I'm going to teach you how to fish instead of just giving you the plate, giving you the platter. But it's good to, have preset models already set for you, so you could start, seeing how it works, seeing trades, seeing the automation, because it's a lot different than trading manually, right? You're turning something on, and it's going to automatically place the trades and the targets and the stop loss for you. You don't have to sit there and, play a guessing game. Oh, is it going to be long or short? And hesitate. A lot of people, they see the trade is there, but they hesitate to actually click the button. In this case, it's going to enter the trade every single time without any emotions. So it's a pretty cool rules-based system that I created. And yeah, it's awesome to see your ideas come to life pretty easily with a click of a button. You could automate your strategy inside a NinjaTrader and do cool shit like this. So if you want to get into our automated group and get access to this software, just go down in the link in the description. Trading Boss Bot is my website. You could either lease the software or pay for it once in one shot. But I give you quick tutorial videos on how to set this thing up. Very simple. And yeah, that's how I'm using this automated software inside of NinjaTrader to pass my prop firm accounts.